Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamla. Hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video, I'll be creating this beautiful dewy skin smoky eye makeup look for look 3 of my wedding guest makeup series. So guys, why can't we achieve a dewy skin? So for oily skin girls, we always tend to do a mattified look. We always powder our skin to avoid that oiliness, cakiness, and we always make our skin very mattified. So even I'm a person, I want my skin to be very mattified, but sometimes we tend to gravitate towards dewy skin. We tempt of attempting that dewy skin, but we can't make work. So we tend to go back to our matte skin, but sometimes we need the dewy skin to have the different kind of look. So for just 2-3 hours occasion, like for evening occasion, there will be a reception look that you can achieve matte, but for afternoon functions like haldi or kind of a welcome or different kind of occasion, just for 2-3 hours, for that kind of occasion you can go ahead and do a dewy skin makeup on oily skin. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve a dewy skin makeup on oily skin girls and without making it cakey as well. And as you can see, my skin is looking so shiny, so glossy, and looks beautiful on me. So to know how I achieve this makeup look, do continue watching, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Now that you feel it, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm gonna start off with the moisturizer. I'm gonna use the Dr. Sheth Aloe and Panthenol Hydrating Gel. It also contains niacinamide and aloe vera extract. It makes my skin super hydrated and moisturized. Next, we'll be moving on to the primer. For that, I'm gonna use the Nykaa Skin Prep Me Up Face Primer. It blurs out my pores and gives that super smoothness to apply my foundation and makes my foundation long lasting. I'm gonna apply all over my face. Next, we'll be moving on to this Maybelline Master Strobing Cream in the shade. I'm going to mention the shade in the description box. So I'm just going to apply on my highest points of cheekbone. I'm just going to blend it with my brush. So it has a little bit of silveryness, like a silvery in shade. So in afterwards I applied another strobe cream to make it work. I'm going to move on to the foundation. I'm going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Tahoe. I'm gonna apply all over my face. Like I'm gonna dot off my face. I'm gonna apply the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray to make it stay for a longer period of time and blends my foundation beautifully into the skin. So I'm just going to apply and blend it with my foundation brush. So it's a beautiful radiant foundation. So the foundation itself has that super dewiness to it, so very naturally. So even for dry skin on all, also for oily skin, it's really nice. So for oily skin you need a powder to tone down the gradient, but since we are achieving a dewy skin makeup, we don't need that a lot of powderiness. So as you can see, the foundation itself gives a super natural gradient to your skin. So next we'll be moving on to the concealer. Further, I'm going to use the ELF Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive to cover my hyperpigmentation around my mouth and also on my under eyes. And wherever I feel to cover a little bit, I'm just going to dot there, and then I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender and brush. So to get that maximum pigmentation and coverage from the concealer, I used a brush. On my under eyes, around my mouth, I used a beauty blender. So whatever the tool is thing, you just need to blend it thoroughly to get that maximum coverage. Next, I'm going to use the shade Tan Olive to highlight my face. So this shade has a little bit lighter for my skin tone. So it gives a super highlighted effect. I'm going to apply the same on my under eyes and little bit on my chin and bridge of my nose to highlight my center of my face. I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend out this concealer. So to avoid a lot of powderedness, I'm gonna move on to the little bit of cream products. I'm gonna use a Flower Beauty blush balm. So it's a liquid blush. I'm gonna apply on my cheekbones, and I'm gonna blend it with my fingers. Then I'm gonna blend everything with my beauty blender. So this kind of liquid products last long for a longer period of time. So if you don't apply powder products also, it just sits on your face very nicely and gives a super flush of color. As you can see, later on I apply a little bit of powderedness just to set, but if you want really dewy, you can leave it like that. And then I'm going to use the Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter. This is in goldeny shade, so I really wanted to have the warmth to my dewiness, so I used this one. So you can go ahead and apply this same on beneath your foundation also. I'm just going to apply on my highest points of cheekbone, and to blend it everything, I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend. So as you can see, the foundation, the cream products make my skin super dewy and very shiny. I'm just going to set my concealer using the K Beauty HD Loose Setting Powder in the shade Latte. So I'm just going to apply this on my under eyes and around my mouth. So literally where I applied the concealer, I'm just going to set only my concealer, and the loose powder has a very mild tint, almost like a translucent powder, so it doesn't disturbs my dewiness to my face. As you can see, the dewiness still there, and remaining face I'm gonna slightly, very slightly adjust. I'm just going to dipping my brush into the compact powder. I'm gonna set my entire face and also my neck. So I'm just taking very tiny amount. So generally I take a lot of product to set, so this time I've kept it very tiny. And next I'm gonna move on to the bronzer. For that I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution bronzer in the shade Warm. I'm gonna make it face pout, and then I'm gonna sizzle up my face using this bronzer. I'm gonna apply on my jawline, cheeks, and also on my forehead, and also to contour my nose. Next we'll be moving on to the eye makeup. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Dippo Primer in the shade Ebony to fill in my eyebrows and to make it a little bit bold, since we are attempting a very bold smoky eye makeup look. So we need that bold eyebrows. I'm gonna apply with my Faces Canada brow and mascara brush. I'm just going to fill in my brows with the angled end and then blend the product with the spoolie end. To set this eyebrows in place, I'm gonna use the I Heart Revolution brow mascara. I'm gonna leave all the names of the products and links in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. So since Nykaa Spring Friday sale is going on, you'll be getting a lot of good discounts on these products, almost up to 50%. You can check out the website and you can use my links to shop. So for the eye makeup, I'm gonna use the Beauty Base Wilderness palette. I'm gonna take this dark royal blue matte shade. I'm just going to apply on my entire eyelid. I'm just going to intensify the shade little by little. So I'm not taking a lot of product and just tapping on my eyes. I'm just literally taking very small amount. I'm just making a very semicircle kind of a thing till I get the desired shape, and then I'm gonna blend the edges with the empty brush to make it little more blended. So this kind of eye makeup needs a lot of blending, so we need to take very tiny product and then blend beautifully, as you can see here. So I'm just blending with the empty brush to make it more blended. Then I'm gonna use a sky blue shade. I'm just going to apply this on my blended area. So as I said, we need a lot of good blending to achieve that very smoky effect. I'm going to take this sky blue color with the same brush. So while blending, we tend to lose the pigment from the shadows, so we need to reapply the shadows and then keep on blending. So I literally take 3 times to make it work. I use only two different colors, but I'll keep on blending. So since we lost that royal blue color, I'm gonna again apply and blend again. It's such a beautiful eye makeup look, guys. I even did on my wedding day as well to welcome my husband. So the foundation also stood for almost 6 to 7 hours on that day. So if you watch my wedding photos, you might have noticed. So the same makeup, the same blue eye makeup I achieved on my wedding day. So I'm gonna apply a gel liner using the L'Oreal Paris Gel Intense liner, just to give that little bit of blackiness on my eyelids. So you can completely avoid this step, but I really wanted to have that good lined effect. And to apply on my waterline, I'm gonna use the ColourPop eyeliner in the shade Snow Down. I'm gonna mention the name and I'm gonna give the link, you can check that out. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'm gonna use the elf mascara. The footage got deleted. I just applied the mascara. And also I applied the falsies and later on, so we can completely avoid falsies, but for this kind of a smoky look, the falsies look so beautiful. So if you don't apply falsies, you can go ahead and apply the 2 or 3 coats of mascara, like very thickening, bold, volumed mascara. Next, I'm gonna apply the highlighter on my inner corners. I'm gonna use the K Beauty highlighter in the shade Sunlit Gold. I'm gonna apply on my inner corners and brow bone. I'm gonna apply the same highlighter on my face as well, on my highest points of my face and forehead, tip of my nose and cupid's bow. So we all have already applied the liquid highlighter, but to make little bit more dewy and to make it set, I'm gonna apply this highlighter. If the highlighter goes also, the liquid highlighter will remain on your face, so it makes your skin very shiny. So I'd really like to do this. So I apply a little bit of powder blush on my cheekbones, so just to make a little bit color, like a very bold blush. And then I'm gonna set everything with my beauty blender. We'll be moving on to the lips. I'll be using the Kiro Non-Airy Matte Liquid Lipsticks in the shade Cinnamon Nude. It's a beautiful brown nude kind of a shade. I really liked it. The good formula, everything is nice. And I went ahead and set my entire face with the Milani Make It Setting Spray without applying on my eyes. So this setting spray gives a super natural setting and a dewy look as well. So I really like this. I'm gonna apply the falsies. This is from Colorsis number CX09. I'm gonna keep a bindi, and I thought of applying a gloss for my lips. I use the Beauty Bay gloss. So it's a beautiful gloss, guys. Make it looks very shiny. So this is the final makeup look, guys. Hope you enjoy watching this look. It's a beautiful dewy skin on oily skin makeup. So if you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below what is your opinion, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more such content, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.